Hi everybody, Cheryl Knowlton, Dynamite Productions coming at you with your Ninja Road Warrior tip of the day. Today's is going to seem maybe a little warm and fuzzy because it's designed to be warm and fuzzy. One of the things that I do that helps me to get a really good night's sleep no matter where I am in the United States is that I travel with my own soft furry blanket that I sleep with at home. It just puts my brain in the right place that, oh, it's time to sleep now, and oh, even though we're in a strange or different hotel room, we can be comfortable, we can be safe, we can be happy, and we can have a really, really good night's sleep. Make sure that you take care of you. Ask for the things that you need. If you need a room with a bathtub, ask for a room with a bathtub. Make sure that you take care of all those little needs that are going to help you to stay in your zone of genius so that you can deliver what you have been paid to deliver with high impact, high energy, and at your very, very best. And that is my Ninja Road Warrior tip of the day.